Today's video, I show you guys how to install ReShade on any PC game step by step, even if you are a beginner. All you have to do is check my video description for this ReShade site, select the download option and select download ReShade with full add-on support. After the download done, select the ReShade and intended for single player games only and may cause bans in multiplayer games, so don't use it for multiplayer games. Select OK option, select the browse option and navigate to the game folder, guys. The Epic Games game location is C drive program files Epic Games in game folder game.exe. You need to select the game.exe file and select open and select next. Select DirectX 10, 11, 12 and select next and select next again. Select next and select finish. And now the installation has been done. Launch the game. Once you are in game, you can able to see a reshade overlay. Just press the home key and select continue, continue, and go to settings. Effect toggle key, set a key you like. I'm going to set it to 1 and then go back to home and select continue, select finish and select reload. In this list, you can see all the effects listed. If you want something to check, then just check mark the effects. I'm going to set it this HDR and levels. It's gonna be increase the HDR levels. And now to close this panel, press the home key. And this is After Effects, guys. You need to press the toggle key to get back previous. Just press the one key. And this is before and this is after. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.